Hey guys, welcome to SE Custom Designs, where my face has to be really close. So what are we doing now, my friends? We're just about ready to cut some handles into these drawers, and I just wanted to show you the technique that I'm using. Essentially, we have a set of Rockler Forster bits. I got this some time ago. It was a steal. It was like $30 some for all of these guys. All right, all the ways from 1/2 inch, 1 1/2 inch down to 1 3/16. That's actually what's in here. And so this is really a second pass, or the second time that I've done this episode. I was pretty fortunate the first time I did it. I essentially just held this in my hand and came down with the Forster bit with no support under here. And as you can see, hopefully you can see that, it is moving the piece down, and you can imagine it could have went really wrong. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and I mark this. I'm going to create a real quick support to put underneath there. So these are the units that the drawers need a little bit of a handle, an access handle. And we'll come over here and we'll show you. I made these in the winter time of 2017, and they've been sitting around since then. And really, this is all I'm after doing, is putting a little thing like this. That's what my wife requested, so that's what we're going to do. However, oh yeah, welcome to SE Custom Designs, where we do one video a week or more, and we love and have a passion for woodworking. We're always doing something in the shop. We just finished up the repair of this beautiful antique chair. We have part 1, part 2, and part 3. We just put it out there this morning. And essentially, we had this area here was very compromised. And it was basically out and floating around, as well as this area was out and floating around. So I essentially had to put some dowels in there because they were missing and broken, and then hollow out where the old dowels were. I had to clean this up because apparently it looks like there was rubber glue on there. Okay, so I essentially took this off and I cleaned it up over there on that rigid. Did a really, really good job. That being said, let's go ahead and just go ahead and cut this guy real quick. We'll do it here on the band saw. So many ways to do a thing. And we'll just go ahead and do that. If you don't know this about band saws, you want to take the tension off of your blade when it's not in use. Okay? So let's go ahead. I apologize. I'm going to have to set the camera down maybe while I do this, and maybe I won't. Let's see what happens. We'll just get real close. Okay, put a line on there. Held it. And yeah, I was pretty fortunate the last time I did this that it didn't tear out and break and all this sort of thing. So there you go. Oh, I always unplug. I tell you that in my videos. I got about 360 now of videos. And please look up the various episodes, type on the subject, and you'll probably find that we've talked about it. All right, let's just do this quick. This doesn't have to be perfect, but really there should be something under there to hold, to take the pressure take the pressure here. So we'll just set this guy in here like so. Just push him back in there. That way we have ourselves a little bit of support. Okay, and here we go. Just take it nice and easy. And there we go. Just move that over a little bit. Okay. Looks like what's happening is it's just moving back on me. So I'm going to go ahead and mount that camera, give myself a little bit more support. All right. And then I'll just clean it up with some sandpaper. And that'll be that. A nice, real quick solution to getting a little bit of a drawer there. Let me pick this whole unit up, bring it over, and we'll finish the job over here at the table. This table is 16 feet long. I'll just give you a tour of real quick view of this guy. A house could fall on here and it won't go anywhere. 16 feet, my friends. Made it out of 4x4 construction and 2x6s. And I've got my tools very conveniently located so I can just pull them up into service and back again. So that's that. I really wish I did a video of that. That would have been so cool. I really wasn't doing videos. Oops, sorry about that, my friends. Really wasn't doing videos back then. And even so, I'm a one-man show, so every once in a while I'll get my son Josh to come down and give me a hand. Matter of fact, the radio arm saw, we replaced the table there, and for that radio arm saw, it's a 10-inch Craftsman, and he was kind enough to give his pop a hand. So essentially I'm just going to finish this. I'll take a little sheetrock knife. It's amazing how many times we use this guy in the wood shop. I'm using it a lot. That's going to clean it up real nice. I have this 10-second roll, by the way. If you can't find that tool in 10 seconds, then you have to think again about how where you're storing your tools. So, at any rate, I'll spend more time finishing this up because I like to do things production-wise, right? That's the way to be efficient. So I'll go ahead and get all those circles cut out, have circles with that Forester bit. I'll just give you an idea. You know? Just clean that up a little bit more with some more sandpaper. So, hey, let me know what you think of the idea. Real quick, whoa, real quick way to make a drawer. So, thanks for tuning in to SC Custom Designs. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. We have a lot of fun in the woodshop. We cover a variety of subjects. We just go on and on. And we buy a tool and then we'll do a review. So pretty much every tool you're seeing in my shop, except for my table saw, I've done reviews on them and how to replace things and fix things on them and so on and so forth, making the dust booth over there. So many subjects. So thanks, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Thumbs up, thumbs down, let us know why. And let's keep on trucking. Can you say that in a woodshop? Alright, thanks, guys. Sure, I just offended truckers across the world.